Good evening, everyone. My name is Terri Wilson, and I'm here tonight to introduce you to the new and exciting Cloud Backup for Case Catalyst. Some of you might be thinking, what is Cloud Backup? Well, it's an easy way and simple to back up all your files in Case Catalyst. It's okay that you've forgotten the last time you backed your stuff up. No need to know where files are located or which files are important. You set it up once and forget it. I want to make this real clear. What I'm going to be showing you tonight is how you set up your cloud backup for the first time and back up your whole system the very first time. From that point on, Cloud Backup is always working in the background, always backing up any changed files or new files that you have in Case Catalyst. Cloud Backup is also crash-proof. All of your Case Catalyst files are protected against hardware failure. It understands how you work. It won't try to archive any active real-time or edit files. Other solutions out there for backup can crash Case Catalyst by trying to grab a file when the file is open in real time or editing. Because Cloud Backup for Case Catalyst was written for Case Catalyst by our amazing developers, it knows how Case Catalyst works and won't do things like that. It is also HIPAA compliant. What this really means is all the files when they're backed up are encrypted and compressed before they're uploaded, and when they're downloaded, they remain encrypted and compressed. It also helps to keep your business and pleasure separate. It's only backing up things in Case Catalyst, not those vacation photos. So how does this work? Well, you go into Case Catalyst and access Cloud Backup. You type in your email and a password and then create a new account. It's going to ask you some additional security questions. So you want to make sure that whatever questions you pick and whatever answers you give, that you write those down. So if down the road you want to change your password or forget your password, you can still get into your Cloud Backup. The next step is simply to pick your Cat4 user and let Cloud Backup do the rest. How long this takes to back up the first time really depends on your internet speed and how much data you have. But don't worry about it. You can simply close this dialog box and go into Case Catalyst, continue editing and working, or you can even close Case Catalyst altogether. The Cloud Backup is still working in the background as long as your computer is on and hooked up to the internet. What comes with Cloud Backup is 100 gigabytes of storage space. Should you ever need more than that, you can get more than that, but that's what you have. Now, some of you may be asking, well, I run more than one computer. And that's okay. Cloud Backup can handle it. So maybe you do real time on a notebook and edit everything on a desktop. Again, no problem. What Cloud Backup will do is all you do is go in and each computer, you give it the same email address and password, and it stores everything in that 1 gigabyte or 100 gigabyte of storage. Should you ever need to retrieve any of those files, you go to Restore, and all the computers that you use are listed by their system name. So in our example here, you'll see that I have a PC and I have a notebook. And under everything, all the files that were backed up from the PC are under there. Anything backed up from the notebook are under there. So they're two separate locations. Now here's kind of a cool scenario. Let's say you edited all night on this job and did a bunch of dictionary entries, but you forgot to back up that dictionary in the morning and load it on your notebook because you're heading for a job. Not a problem. Once you get to your location, if you have internet access or a hotspot, you can instantly log onto your cloud account, go right to your PC, and back up your dictionary directly to the notebook instantly. Same goes for when you're finished with this job and you exit out of real time. If you are still hooked up to the internet, that file is instantly stored up in the cloud under your notebook. So when you get home, you can go to your cloud account and actually download that job that's on your notebook instantly. That basically is the cloud. Now, I have a story to tell you. One of our reporters who beta tested the cloud for us is an official in court, and her computer actually crashed one day. Couldn't retrieve anything off the computer. She went home that night, pulled out an old notebook she had, updated, downloaded the current update of Case Catalyst, went to her cloud account, and downloaded everything that was on that notebook computer that had crashed. She was up and running the next morning and ready to go to court. Now that's peace of mind. Now you may be asking, how do you get the cloud? Well, if you are currently on a Case Catalyst support contract, you're going to automatically get it in August when it's released. For those of you who are not on a current contract, all you have to do is give us a call. We'll get you updated to the latest version of Case Catalyst, and you too can have the cloud in peace of mind. I hope this was helpful. I want to thank all of you for coming tonight, and I hope to all see you one of these days.